Rest in peace to my first baby. We had some good memories, y'all. We had some good times. You know, you got me halfway to the journey. You got me halfway there. You got me halfway there, girl. You did, but you have a replacement now. But you got a replacement now, boo. And then you're going to the grave. Peace. See, that's how you gotta be with closure. When shit break on you, and when things go wrong, you just gotta push it to the side and get something new. Push it to the side and get something new. Yeah.
Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to swing. Big bang, take little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shorty break. When the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave. Hop out, drop top, fuck your pocket, I need it right now.
Y'all, welcome to a new vlog. So, text my birthday brunch. Yeah. So I'm just getting ready for that because I'm about to leave. And let me just tell y'all how I lost my my wig glue. So I hope my wig not looking janky. I hope my wig is not looking janky. Oh my God, how did I lose my wig glue on the day of my birthday stuff? Like, Jesus. But y'all, this is just me today. I didn't put no makeup on, and I just know my mama gonna say something about that. But baby, I'm comfortable in my own skin right now. I just don't want to put no makeup on my skin. So, I think I just messed my baby hairs up. I think I just messed my baby hairs up. It wasn't that mean. Wasn't that mean. But yeah, so I'm just getting ready for that. I'm about to leave the house. Sorry for the loud TV. My brother is in the living room. But if my hair not, you know, flexy riding up how it should be, it's okay. Like, I really don't give a damn. Let me say that babe, y'all. Let me say that babe. I care. I very much so care. I very much so care. So, I don't know where we're going, but I look cute. This is a skirt. I have my black turtleneck on, and I'm gonna wear my black thigh-high boots. But I just want to be, you know, regular, degular, schmegular Kiera today. Like, yeah, that's what it's giving. Because my hair is not giving me. I'm ready to take this wig off. Ready to take this wig off. I'm ready to take it off, baby. I'm ready to take it off, but I'm about to curl my hair, and I should be leaving the house in the next 20 minutes at the most. Next 20 minutes. But I'm running very much on time because I think it's at 3. Y'all have no idea where we're going. I really wasn't even supposed to know about the whole birthday thing, but my sister got mad at me and told me. She got mad at me and told me it's such a spoiled brat. Such a brat. Such a brat. Ooh. I'd rather do that in the house than outside though, you know what I'm saying? Girl. Okay, my wig don't look janky. It don't look janky. But yeah, I'm just about to curl my hair and get ready. My mom's coming to pick me up. So, just about to curl my hair and get ready for the festivities. for the festivities of today. So I guess I'll vlog when I get in the car with my mom. I guess I'll see y'all in a hot diggity dog second. In a hot diggity dog second. I'll call you back.
I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. I wanna all night. Say it. I wanna all night. Hello, stranger. Babe's been waiting. Just as I recall that ass is still amazing. Laying, babe. Saying, baby. Love it, just you know I'm crazy. So go ahead and drink up. I'm so glad we got to link up. Get to taking that off me. Yeah. 'Cause I got the blood that made the coffee green. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't make me wait, no, don't you? Just like you will. Come through and chill. Y'all haven't seen me in my wig and it looks a mess now. Well, not really, and I've had it on for 8 days. But y'all, we got a package. My girl Kimberly Sherrill in the back. Hey friend, y'all know I'm a YouTube girly that supports the YouTube girly, and I apologize for my absence, y'all. If y'all don't know, I live in Atlanta and it's something going around.
it's the COVID, it's the flu, which I believe that's what I got because I tested negative for COVID. So, and I've been a little under the weather, so wasn't none of that. Hold on, my sister's calling me. Hold on. Sorry, we were rudely interrupted by my sister. Oh, baby, we're back in action. I'm still recording on my phone. Y'all, my background kind of look a little cute. A little cute. A little cute. So, yeah. This is the G7X Mark II. Rest in peace. Y'all, I don't really want to show y'all my room because it's packaged galore. Christmas. Happy birthday and Merry Christmas to me. Rest in peace to my first baby. We had some good memories, y'all. We had some good times. You know, you got me halfway to the journey. You got me halfway there. You got me halfway there, girl. You did, but you have a replacement now. But you got a replacement now, boo. Yeah, so I'm going to take the memory card out of you, and I'm going to keep all the batteries that we have. Yes, I am. And then you're going to the grave. Peace. See, that's how you got to be with closure. When shit break on you, and when things go wrong, you just got to push it to the side and get something new. Push it to the side and get something new. Yeah. Yeah, so let's open her. Let's open her. Let's open her. Okay. Yeah. Ooh. We got a new Canon charger, a new Canon battery. Hold on, let me call y'all back. Anywho, my sister keeps interrupting, calling me about a birthday. Ooh, y'all. Look crazy. Look crazy. Why I have this headband on? I don't know, y'all, but I look crazy. But anywho, we got that new. We got the new. We got the new, y'all. Did y'all hear how she sound when she came on? I don't think my other one sounded like that no more. Oh. My girl. My new girl. Bye, because you just died on me like that. Yes, but let me tell y'all about my experience with FedEx. I hate them. My camera, it is Sunday. My camera was supposed to be here on a Wednesday. It is Sunday. How y'all gonna tell me that y'all delivering my camera on Wednesday, but it was in Indiana? Then y'all said y'all changed and updated the thing to Thursday, but it was in Tennessee. Then Friday, it was in Kisolace for like 2 days. And then it said my camera was supposed to be delivered tomorrow. So I'm like, okay, whatever. Let me stop stressing. My camera gonna be here tomorrow. And then, knock. Stop knocking. Don't come knocking at my door. Ooh, FedEx came. Knock. Y'all don't know nothing about that, Monica. But yes. So the vlogging is going to commence. Because my birthday's in 2 days. So Miss Mamas came with a strap, a little ankle strap. I mean, a wrist strap, not ankle. Why would I put my camera on my ankle, girl? Why would you do that? We have an official Canon battery. Y'all, I went to Area 4 like 2 years ago. Dropped my purse outside. Oh, Lord. And my Canon battery was gone. So I've been using these knockoff batteries. They work just fine. You know what I'm saying? They work just fine. But, baby, we got a Canon. And now, I have a Canon charger. I got a Canon charger again. Have a new Canon charger. Yeah, so we're back official like a whistle. Yeah. But, yeah, I got a little cough. I'm not gonna cap, excuse me. I got a little cough, so I've been taking me some elderberry. I ordered me some sea moss. I've been taking all my vitamins and stuff. So, yeah.
That's just where I've been at, y'all. I'm sorry for, you know, ending vlogs like that. But shit happens. And I know I said I was going to stop cursing, but things have been happening. The happenings have been happening. And vlogging every day, the happenings are just going to happen, you know? But this is y'all first time seeing me with my wig on. And I hate that I came on camera like this with my wig on. But I'm about to edit the behind the scenes footage of my photo shoot that I did last week. So I'm going to put that vlog up. So y'all going to see that footage before y'all see this footage. So I posted some throwaway, what I call throwaway pictures on my Instagram 2 days ago. You know, just to fuck the gram up for a little bit. You know. But those are not my official pictures that I'm posting on my birthday. But I took over 300 and something photos. And baby, when I tell you, your girl slayed. Your girl slayed. I slayed. So if you want to see those pictures, go follow my Instagram. Same as my YouTube channel, Kisolace. That's me. Yes. So I posted the pictures already over there. So y'all can go like them. Go follow me. You know, go follow me. Go follow your girl. And then I'll be back. I don't know if I'm coming back on this vlog today. But, you know, your girl was just watching some YouTube. As always. Because I'm a YouTube girly that support the YouTube girl, please. Yeah. So, I'm about to take me some medicine. I got me some pho. So, I'm about to, you know, sip on it and then edit so I can put up a vlog. I don't know what kind of, you know, footage I got because my sister was recording. So, this is going to be a Kayla vlog. So, yeah. I'll holler at y'all when I pick the phone back up because I'm still vlogging on my phone right now. Peace.